Imagine earning a passive crypto income without doing anything. Sounds too good to be true? Well, in today's video I'll show you how cloud mining can turn that dream into reality. We'll cover everything from setting up your first cloud mining machine to building a complete mining farm and eventually cashing out your rewards. And the best part, you can get started completely for free. If you're new here, my name is Tigo, and on this channel I go over everything crypto related. From the latest news to current hypes and the most profitable airdrops. So if you're interested in any of this, please consider joining the community by subscribing to the channel. So where do we start? Well, if we want to start cloud mining, we're going to need to find a reliable cloud mining provider. I've done a lot of research and I believe I finally found the best cloud mining platform, GoMining. Let's take a look at how we can use GoMining to build our cloud mining empire. To start our cloud mining journey off right, we can use the first link in the description to immediately lock in a 5% discount on our first miner. The link will bring us to this page. Here we can create an account by clicking the sign up button in the top right corner. We choose our preferred login method and continue like any sign up process. When logged in, we'll be met with this screen. We can see some settings and some promos, but let's first take a look at how we can set up a miner. We start by going over to the My Miners tab. Here we'll immediately see a miner, the bonus miner. This miner is a way for us to test out the GoMining platform without immediately having to build our own miner. If we hover over the bonus miner and click About Miner, we'll be able to see some details. Our bonus miner will mine at a speed of 16 terahashes a second with an energy efficiency of 20 watts per terahash. That's a $500 miner we'll be able to try out for free. We can start up the miner by clicking Start Tasks. Here we'll see all sorts of tasks we can complete to extend the time our bonus miner will run for. The first task is to just click Claim. Yep, it's as easy as that. Now we can continue with the other tasks like subscribing to the GoMining YouTube channel, joining the Discord, etc. By doing these simple tasks, we can run the bonus miner for up to 6 days. If we decide that cloud mining is something we would like to keep doing, we can use GoMining to build our very own virtual miner. Let's take a look at the different miner options. We can get started by clicking the purple Create Miner button here or on the My Miners page. We can choose the amount of computing power as well as the energy efficiency. If we check out the reward history, we can see that these miners are actually quite profitable right now. The first value here is the pool payout, which comes out to almost 6 cents a day. Subtracting the electricity as well as the service costs, which we can see here, we'll get an average net profit of 3 cents a day. 3 cents a day is not a lot. But this is the very cheapest miner we can build on GoMining. If we go back to the build page, we can see that this miner would cost us just $31 US. By increasing our computing power, we will of course also increase our daily profits. For $100, we'll get a daily profit of 10 cents. $900 gets us over $1 a day, and for $2,500 we'll be able to lock in a monthly passive income of $100. Down here we can also see the price per terahash. For a level 1 miner, this is $31 per terahash. But if we check some bigger miners, we see this price quickly decrease. The more power we buy, the cheaper it gets. And thus, the more profitable our miners will be. Now, an 11-cent reward for an investment of $100 doesn't seem like anything game-changing. But if we run the numbers, this actually comes out to over 40% a year. Comparing this to some other forms of crypto passive income like staking and providing liquidity, these rewards actually start to become very interesting. We can also choose to improve the energy efficiency of our miner. This will decrease the maintenance fee of our miner, but it will also increase the price of the miner. I found that for now it's more profitable to keep the energy efficiency at 20 watts per terahash. The 20 watt per terahash miners are profitable up to a Bitcoin price of $49,000 US. And the 15 watt per terahash miners are profitable up to a Bitcoin price of $35,000. So for now the 20 watt per terahash miners are more profitable. But if Bitcoin drops in price, the 15 watt per terahash miners might become more profitable. The payback period of these miners is between 2 and 2.5 years, depending on the level and efficiency of the miner you decide to buy. But since our miner is an NFT, we can also resell it whenever we want. If after a year of mining we decide that we are done with it, we can simply sell our miner for little to no loss and walk away with 40% in profits. Let's go ahead and build a miner. And I've actually got a secret technique for this. Pay attention. As my first miner, I'll get a simple level 1 miner with an energy efficiency of 20 watts per terahash. This miner costs $31, which comes out to $31 per terahash. The miner will pay us just over $1 in profits each month, giving us a break-even time of 28 months. First, let's pay for this miner, and then I'll show you a little trick to make this miner even more profitable. We start by clicking Next. The first part of our trick is to apply a promo code. By entering the code PD04S here, we'll get a 5% cashback on all of our purchases, making our miner even more profitable. I know that's not so spectacular, but I promise you the secret part of this trick is a lot better. Let's apply the code and continue with the payment. The payment process speaks for itself. You can choose between various payment platforms like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and of course crypto. I'll be paying for this miner using crypto, so let's go ahead and select that. We select the token we want to use to pay and click Pay. After doing that, you'll get a wallet address which you can send the crypto to. Within a couple of minutes, your payment will have been processed and the miner should show up in your account. The miner will immediately start mining. To see your rewards, simply go to the rewards tab in the menu up here. Alright, we've got a 1 terahash miner now, but that's not a lot yet. I want a stronger machine. There's a couple ways for us to increase our profits. The first is to buy a miner through the marketplace. If we head over to the GoMining marketplace over here, we'll be able to see all miners listed for sale. The prices of these miners can differ a lot, depending on the power and efficiency of the miner. To find the best miners, I like to set a minimum efficiency of 35 watts a terahash. This ensures that our miner will not run at a loss when the Bitcoin price goes down. If we sort this list by highest ROI, we'll be able to see the best deals. If you're looking to increase your profits for as little money as possible, this is the way to go. But one thing that you might notice is that these miners are all quite expensive. The best deals on the marketplace are often the largest miners, which are unaffordable for most people, including me. Luckily, I've got another trick to upgrade our miner for cheap. For this, we need to go back to the My Miners tab. Here we'll find this banner. If we scroll a little further, we'll find a 10% promo code for any power upgrades. Keep this code in mind. Now we can hover over the miner we just created to find an upgrade button. If we click the upgrade button, we'll be shown this menu. In the upgrade menu, we can go over to customized upgrade. Here we can choose to upgrade our miner to whatever power we desire. We can stick to the normal power levels, but we can also choose any amount of terahashes between these levels. And as we can see down here, the price per terahash for an upgrade is just $27 per terahash. That's almost 15% cheaper than buying the power as a normal miner. When we've decided how much extra power we want to buy, we can click Next. Now don't forget to enter the promo code we just copied. Now we click Pay and follow the payment process like normal. Alright, our miner has been upgraded. We paid a total of $24.28 per terahash, which is $7 cheaper than if you were to buy the power directly. And that's it. You've now got a virtual miner running that will pay you a daily passive crypto income. Please let me know in the comments if you've built a machine and whether you managed to get some good discounts with the tactics discussed today. For now, that's all I have to say. See you in the next video.